save and rate feature allows users to both create a load as well as generate quotes with just the click of a button. Let's test it out. We're going to create an SMC3 LTL load. The 53-foot trailer. I'm going to do the same address as the customer. Going to Chicago Pizza. £800 of pizza on 4 pallets with a class 125. And we are going to save and rate. So right now the load is generating, and after that completes, it is also now creating quotes. And you'll see 2 spots in which the quotes are generated, both under the Quotes and Invoices tab. You'll see a handful of different providers, as well as the total rate. And then also on the Freight Quote Assistant, you'll see on the carrier side of the service, you'll have a handful of carriers with their respected rate as well. Prior to the new save and rate feature, a user would have to create the load, and then after the load was created, go into the Freight Quote Assistant to generate quotes through their carrier network. This is allowing them to essentially do both tasks with just one click. So another cool feature that the user now has the ability to do is also clone one of the loads and generate a quote. So we're going to clone this load here and enable the save and rate box. We're going to clone 2 copies, and now the system is both creating the loads as well as generating the rating logic. And so I'm going to open up one of these loads here. And as you can see, within the load, you've already got 7 quotes generated with a handful of different carriers. And then also, in the Quotes and Invoices section, you'll notice that they also populate here as well. So that is our new save and rate feature that will drastically speed up the workflows for our users.